This is something I've wanted to try for a really long time. I'm in my 2001 double cab V6 Tacoma. It has 33-inch tires, and it's fully loaded down with a bunch of stuff, and 2 people in it. And then my buddy is in his 2001 double cab Tacoma, and he has 33-inch tires, pretty much nothing in the truck, but he also has the Supercharger. So we are gonna see how much faster his truck is when we floor it at 55 miles an hour here and see the difference. So, all right guys, you ready to step on it?
On your count.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so you can see the difference. Wow, I'm blowing my truck up. All right, that was 75 miles an hour.
We gotta do it quick.
Okay. All right, we are dead stop. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, go. So this is a V6 with no supercharger. That's a V6 with the supercharger. Both of us are automatic transmissions. My truck's got a bunch of gear in it. His doesn't have any, but you can see the difference the supercharger makes. And don't worry, we're just going up to the speed limit. We're now at 70 miles an hour, so that's the test. All right guys, so that's a video I've been wanting to make for a while and see the difference in person between a supercharger and no supercharger. Definitely an upgrade I've considered a lot from day one. I'm still undecided. I'd love to see what the gearing does, the effect of having 488s with 33s versus the stock 410s with 33s. I don't know, what would you guys rather have? What's your current setup? Let me know. I think it's really interesting. Definitely a heavily considered mod on all these trucks, superchargers or gearing. So yeah, that's that.